So I've just been wanting a variety of foods here, and most times if you have to order them here, you wait like 48 hours. So I was just checking online, and I mean, I haven't really tried the places, so I don't even know if the food will be nice. So I'm just like, but one day Shasha sat down and went to order from a place, but it's not in Stoke-on-Trent anyway. But it still came in about 48 hours, which is not bad. It's frozen food. I think the food is frozen. So I'm just going to be unboxing it now. I'll show you guys the video. I didn't order like large quantities, just like small portions, because I just wanted to try it first. Everything I ordered was about it was about 50 something pounds or thereabouts. So yeah, so let me show you guys. So I don't know if I mentioned before that I get my palm oil from Atinoda Foods, but they haven't had palm oil for a while now, so I just got these ones to just use and hold body until when they will have. So this is 750 mils. It's supposed to be made in Nigeria. It smells like Nigerian palm oil, so, and I like that it's in a bowl instead of like a bottle, so it makes sense. So I ordered 2 of that. So I think this is the second one. So let me just check. So yeah, this is the second one. It was $3.99, I think, for each one, 750 mils. And this is the food proper. Yeah. This is the bag. I'm just going to cut it. I like the wrapping and the packaging. Like it's well packaged, so it doesn't spill. So that's good. Like proper frozen. They even have like a ice whatever in it. So it was ordered on, today is a Friday. It was ordered Wednesday. They shipped, or they dropped it off yesterday, and I received it today. This is about 3-4 p.m. so it's not bad. Okay, so I did yam porridge with fish. So it's all frozen. This is a plate of yam porridge with fish. So it's like croaker fish, I think. Doesn't look bad at all. Still solid frozen. So let's see what I'll eat first. I ordered ewagoyin, a little bit of ewagoyin as well. So just ewagoyin with the sauce on it, frozen as well, nothing else. In that, I think I did a plate of jollof rice as well with fish. I've been more into fish of late. So, yeah, croaker fish as well with jollof rice, just one plate as well. I wasn't going to like order much because like I don't know how it's going to be. So, and because it's not fresh, it's frozen, I also didn't want to like order a lot. So that's jollof rice, just one plate with fish. And then I did just a portion of eforiru as well with I don't know if it's meat, but it's, yeah, it looks like it's meat, like just meat pieces and all that in it as well. So this is, it's just, I think this is just 1 serving as well. So everything I ordered is like 1 serving. This is asun. So this is peppered goat meat. If you don't know what asun is, it's like a, I think it's primarily like an Ondo thing. Yeah, because like it was a big deal in my family. It is a big deal in my family. My mom is Ondo, so like there's no party without asun. Like if there's any party, as you're killing the cow, you're buying goats because there must be asun. So asun. And okay, this is moi moi. So I ordered just 2 wraps of moi moi. Moi moi is not something that is difficult for me to make, but like I just wanted to do moi moi that I did not make. I wanted to eat momo that I did not make. My husband has decided he will make anyway, but I just ordered this one, so I'm just eat it for just eating sake. I hope it's nice. It's just, I think it's just plain. There's nothing in it, just plain when. And I think that's everything. That's everything, just more ice. So I've sorted that now, and the next time you guys will see me will be Saturday. Yeah, my husband's birthday is on Sunday, so I'm trying to do like something nice for him. I showed you guys the gift already earlier I got for him, but I want to like, I bought like these balloons and stuff with this happy birthday stuff, so I'm going to put that. Let me just show you guys. I think I'll just put it on the wall here and stick the balloons to the wall as well. Then I'll get him flour. I want to get him flour, and I want to get him cake. It's just going to be like a store-bought cake, like this ready-made cakes. I think I have a little happy birthday candle, so put that on it. And then I also wanted to, okay, then I'll just make breakfast for him. So he's doing night shifts, so from tomorrow night it's going to be a night, 3 days of night shift. So Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night is working night, so obviously he's not going to be home Saturday night, like Saturday midnight stroke Sunday, and Sunday is his birthday. So I'm going to go, once he leaves on Saturday, I can't buy the cake and the flour and all that, so once he leaves Saturday night for a shift around maybe past 8 or thereabout, I'll just take a taxi down to the store. And you guys see my skin. Anyways, I'll just take a taxi down to the store and get the flour, the cake, and yeah, then I'll think of what I'll do for breakfast. I'm just thinking maybe sandwich or something, but I don't know yet. I was thinking English breakfast, but I'm not sure I want to do that because we don't really eat processed meat here, like them sausages, bacon and all that. But I mean, it's just once, but I don't know yet. I don't think so. I might just stick with like proper like Nigerian toast bread style sandwich. So yeah, and yeah, we'll just do that for him before it gets to, though he said he wants jollof rice. I don't know yet. If we don't end up cooking jollof rice between like today and Saturday, then obviously I might just end up making jollof rice for him, even though it's not a proper breakfast. But yeah, we'll just have jollof rice and maybe chicken or something. Yeah, that's that. I'm thawing the porridge, the yam porridge. I think I want to have that now. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on Saturday. Next time you see me will be Saturday, when I'm going to get the flowers and the cake and all that. And then I would also just show you guys what the decor will look like when I put it up. What else do I want to say? Yeah, that's all guys, that's all. And I wanted to show you guys one last thing. The Temu haul I showed you guys, this is what the decor stuff are looking like. So you guys can see the book pieces that we got. So yeah, so this is how we put them. So this is Live More Worry Less, then this is the fake books one, and this is the other one, so the vintage kind of book thing. And then this is the Picasso fake book as well. We are yet to put pictures in this, but yeah, that's all. That's really all we're doing for decor for this living room. We're not doing anything else. Nothing else. Nope. We've had this for a while, so I think we just want to spray paint this gold part. We're just going to spray paint it black, so everything is just black, going to be black. So yeah, that's all guys. That's all guys, so I'll see you guys on Saturday. Bye. So just a quick unboxing guys. Told you guys I get my like stuff from Adedoyinaajibade. So yeah, I just ordered some food things, yeah, so African food things. So I decided to just show you guys. So I've got crayfish. I've got this dried fish, this bonga fish. I've been more into like fish of late. Like meat is just not interesting to me right now. So like any type of fish, tilapia, not even catfish, tilapia, croaker, yeah, dried fish. So this is dried euro. The one I brought from Nigeria just actually got finished, so it wasn't bad. Like I used it for over a year. So it was dried, so I just put it in the freezer, so whenever I need it, just take it out. So I ordered more from her. I ordered some ground egusi, more ground crayfish, more dried euro. I ordered 2 of that, so that will last me a while. Soya spice. This one is a gift because yeah, I think she has run out, so she gave me this as a gift, and I would order like when they have more in stock. What's this? Okay. Ground obono, yeah. Ground obono. Chicken. Just more ground egusi. And yeah, I think that's all, guys. So that's everything I ordered. So I'll just put this euro in the freezer straight and just use it from there when I need. Yeah, I just woke up from a nap, thinking I will make fried rice and jollof rice. So when I go, I'll just get what I need. Mostly vegetables, carrots. We have bell peppers. I'll chop those ones down. So I'll just make fried rice and jollof rice for him tomorrow. What else? Yeah, let me not take too much time because like there's still a lot to show you guys. Me setting up the decor, me surprising him. It will all go in this vlog. If you haven't seen like the first part, then you should watch my previous vlog, because initially I thought this was all going to come in one vlog, like everything about his birthday surprise, his gift I got him will come in one vlog, but like I had to upload one ahead because it was going to be like a very long vlog. So anyways, see you guys later tonight. So my husband left for work already. My Uber is almost here, so I'm just going to go to Tesco. So I have my list already. I'm getting like birthday card, cake, flour, and just a little things, a few things I need to cook tomorrow. So I said I'll make fried rice. So I already chopped my bell peppers. I always like to use like fresh vegetables for my, like freshly chopped for my this thing. I don't like using the frozen ones. So yeah, I already chopped my bell peppers. So I just need carrots, and yeah, I also need bell peppers, like red peppers, to make like jollof rice. I have tomatoes at home and tomato paste and all the other things. I need oil as well. Yeah, so my taxi is almost here, so I'm just going to put on my shoes and I'll see you guys at the store. I'm so excited. I've never done something like this before. Of course, he thinks that he told me to send him a list of things we need, because like when he's coming from work tomorrow morning, he will just like drop by at the store and get it. And I said, oh, I'll send it to him. But like I'm going to get them because I need them to cook in the morning before at least I need to start cooking before he gets home. So my hair is a mess. It's my favorite wig that I wear all the time. It's easy to just grab and put on. Anyway, my Uber is here now, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I'm coming, sorry. 1 second. Just 50 seconds. Oh, come on. Sorry. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you, baby. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
I don't see flower.
It's fine. Let me see. Take this. Nice one.
I just got everything. I don't know how to do decoration.
It's fine, huh?
Okay.
It's fine. I'll do video of it.
I got you cake.
I'll do video.
This is your.
You're recording me. You're recording me.
Your card.
Thank you. Thank you, my man.
Love you. Just rush everything.
Yeah. Birthday to me.
Yeah, take your cake. Go and stand there.
Birthday to me. Happy birthday.
Go and stand there. Let me do you.
It's my flower.
Yeah.
It's my load of love gifts.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dr. Ajibade.
Thank you.
Favor.
Thank you, my wife. Love you.
Well, you look so fine.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think I'll take it.
What is this? Let me see money.
This thing has been recorded.
Hey. Nice. Nice. You bought new ring.
Yes. It's a cheap ring,
Sha.
It's just a fancy ring. It's not like, but it's engraved with something inside. Not engraved, but they wrote something.
Nice.
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Nice.
happy birthday.
You do well.
See the assistant birthday girl. I had to rush. See how white my face is.
Nice.
I had to rush because it was almost there. But surprise successfully executed. Next year we go bigger.
You do it.
We go bigger next year, baby. Love you.
Love you too.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We've come to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.